Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a gaming test of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and this phone is powered by Snapdragon 720G chipset, which is based on 8nm architecture, and also we have a Adreno 618 GPU. So in this video I'm gonna show you how is the gaming performance of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and this phone is costing around 40,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, you can see that this phone comes with a 6.67-inch Full HD IPS LCD display, but we have a punch hole display on the center, which is really small and also not as visible as notch what you get on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Xiaomi just launched one variant of this phone, which I have right now. This phone comes with a 128GB of internal storage, which is coming at UFS 2.1 with a 6GB of RAM. In this video I'm gonna playing two games on this phone. First we have Asphalt 9 Legend and second is the PUBG Mobile. So now let's see the Asphalt 9, and guys, game is not on. Now let's go to the settings and go to the game settings, and you can see, and I set the visual quality on default because mostly people will use on default settings. Now let's play some level, and you can see that the graphics is really good on this phone, but not as good as the Super AMOLED display, but the colors very natural and vivid as well. And you can see, and the gameplay feels like not on 60 FPS. This phone does not give you a 60 FPS option, but right now I feel that we don't get any lag right now, and you can see no lag. And guys, I already done the battery life review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. If you want to know about the battery life of this phone comes with a massive 5020 mAh battery size with 18-watt fast charger right out the box. And you can see, and the gameplay feels smooth on this phone right now, and you can see no lag whatsoever. Game is run very smooth on this phone, and you can see we are at first. And guys, you can see that Asphalt 9 is run really good on this phone. We don't see any lag while I am using the Asphalt 9 Legend game, and this phone is handling everything fine, but we don't get any 60 FPS option on the Asphalt 9 Legend right now. Now let's see the PUBG Mobile. And guys, now let's go to the settings and go to the graphics option, and you can see this phone is also give you a smooth graphics with the ultra frame rate. We also get balanced graphics with ultra frame rate, and HD is also available with a high frame rate, but we don't get HDR on this phone because of the limitation of the Adreno 618 GPU. So guys, now let's play on smooth graphics with ultra frame rate, and guys, you can see that right now the gameplay feels really good on this phone, but we don't get any extreme option on this phone, which means that we cannot go all the way up to 60 FPS, but it is at about 40 FPS, and I don't feel any lag right now. Game is run very smooth. Now let's see in the main gameplay, and guys, you can see that right now gameplay feels really smooth right now. We don't get any lag right now, and I also don't see any heating issue. But if you are using this phone in a winter season, you definitely notice improved performance. And you can see, now let's grab some bullets and gun. And I don't feel any lag right now. Game is run good on this phone, no problem whatsoever. And guys, now let's go to the again settings and go to the graphics, and now I play this game on balanced graphics with ultra frame rate. Let's see it is feels bit laggy or not, or it is completely fine because the Snapdragon 720G chipset, it is a really good chipset in this price range. And you can see now I play this game on balanced graphics with ultra frame rate. Now let's see that how is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s is handling this graphic settings. It is fine or not. And guys, you can see that overall I have to say that the gaming performance of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 it is really good on this phone. If you are looking a gaming phone that is costing around 40,000 PKR, I would say that the Realme 6 and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 it is one of the best options that you get within 40,000 PKR. This phone is a beast phone for gaming, and also we get a massive 5000 mAh battery size on this phone. And the weight balance is done really well on this phone, and back is made up of glass. Use a case that comes you right out the box with this phone. Definitely use a case that comes you right out the box with this phone. So thank you so much for watching this gaming review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. Overall, I am really impressed by the performance of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. And also we get a side mounted fingerprint scanner. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.